Hello, this is Kevin Benedict, Independent Mobility Analyst and SAP Mentor, reporting live from SAP Insider's Mobile 2012 conference, and I'm here with Bill Padula. Bill, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Kevin. My pleasure.
So, Bill, what's your title and focus?
So I'm the Vice President of Business Solutions for Syclo. I'm in charge of all of our sales engineering team globally and do a lot with our product development, kind of product innovation, what's working in the market, where we're going with new features, new functions, new platforms, creating new applications to help take out to the field.
Awesome. So I have a lot of good questions for you then. So, Bill, mobile strategy seems to be a big challenge for companies today. In a report that you guys, matter of fact, have available here right at your booth, over 50% of the companies really don't have a mobile strategy in place now. Why is it so hard for companies to put together a coherent, organized mobile strategy?
I think they start thinking about it and they don't know where to start. It's a big animal. You start thinking about all the aspects of a company, whether it's users inside the building, your executives, whether it's your field service people, sales people, manufacturing processes. You got big companies, so there's a lot of areas where mobile can impact those and bring value, but people don't know where to start. So I think that's the most difficult part of just getting started. I think people have to look for where there's high value and high return, and really those are the areas to begin in mobile. We've done a lot in the field service space, and there's a lot of value return in a lot of different areas to bring an ROI to the solution. There's other apps that are kind of feel good. They're nice to have mobile apps, but they don't bring a lot of value necessarily. And if you start there, it may be, people think, oh, I'll start there, it's a quick win, but then it may be, there's not a lot of value coming from it, so then it makes the next app a tougher sell.
Very good. So do you guys cover all the various platforms, iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Microsoft? Do you cover them all?
We do. In fact, we've got a number of Android tablets and devices here with us today. We're showing a lot of our applications running on Android. We're very excited about Android. We see, there's been a lot of splash the last few years with iOS, with the iPhone and the iPad, and they've certainly taken a lot of the market share and gotten people really excited about tablets as opposed to old laptops, because they turn on, turn off. They don't have to boot and shut down. But Android's really starting to make inroads into the market, and we see, within the enterprise, I think a lot of people may adopt Android as we see a variety of devices out there. With iOS, you have the iPad and you have the iPhone, and that's it. Android, a lot of different manufacturers are making devices, and when you look at mobile solutions, a lot of the success of a mobile deployment is tied to the device. The application has to work and the software has to work, but if the device isn't right for the environment, then it doesn't work for the user. So Android just brings you more variety of devices you can take out there. Some of the ruggedized tablets that we're starting to see come out that are running Android. We're going to see some other rugged, Android-type devices. And it's not right for everybody, but if you take a device that, if I'm using it inside and I'm wearing a suit and I'm doing inspections, the iPad might be just fine. But if I'm going out in the field and I'm going to leave this device in my truck, or it's 10 degrees outside and it's raining and I got to take my gloves off, there's other devices that may work better than an iPad, and that's where Android, I think, will come in and fill a lot of that area that's sort of been disappearing as the traditional Windows mobile devices are going away.
So, Bill, talk to me about your newest applications that Syclo has and the ones you're showing off here today.
So our newest application is our Smart Sales Manager, which we're very excited about. Allows really to enable a salesperson to go out and manage their accounts, track their opportunities, and all that kind of thing. So we have that. We have it running on our iPhone, and we also have showing it on the Android phones. We have our Service Manager application, which we have running on the Android tablet, the iPad, the iPhone, the Windows mobile device, as well as the laptop. So we've got that one on all the different platforms pretty much that people are using. We've got our Work Manager, we've got our Inventory Manager, we've got our Rounds, and a number of different kind of applications as well.
And these are working with SAP in large part, right?
These are all working with SAP. They're all COTS solutions for SAP. So off the shelf, put them in. They're not concept applications. They're really fully built and fully baked.
All right, Bill, I want to thank you so much for sharing with the audience today.